Welcome to my channel. Do you want to know how millions of people are using ChatGPT to save time, boost productivity, and even earn money online? In today's video, I'll explain what ChatGPT is, how you can use it step by step, and I'll also show you live examples that you can try right now. So, if you're a beginner and have never used ChatGPT before, stay with me till the end of this video. So first, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot created by OpenAI. It uses advanced language models to understand your text and give you human-like responses. Think of it as your personal assistant that can help you write, research, explain, brainstorm ideas, and even create content. In simple words, you ask questions, right pointing arrow, ChatGPT gives answers instantly. Now you may ask, why should I use ChatGPT? Because it can save your time, write emails, blogs, or scripts instantly. Boost productivity, generate ideas, summaries, or reports. Help in learning, explain complex topics in simple words. Assist in business, marketing, SEO, customer support, and more. Alright, so let's talk about how you can actually access ChatGPT. Getting started with ChatGPT is super easy. Just open your browser and go to chat.openai.com or download the ChatGPT app. Now, click on Sign Up, and the fastest way is to choose Continue with Google. Select your Gmail ID, and your ChatGPT account will be created instantly. Once you log in, you'll see a chat box at the bottom of the screen. Simply type your question or request. For example, write a professional email to my boss requesting 2 days leave. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a complete response. That's it, just 3 steps. Open, log in, ask. You're ready to chat with AI. Now, let us understand how we can use ChatGPT effectively. To get the best results, you need to learn how to write prompts. A prompt means the instruction you give to ChatGPT. Here's the formula. Clear instruction plus context plus desired output equals best answer. For example, bad prompt, write an email. Good prompt, write a professional email to my boss requesting 2 days of leave for a family function. Now let me show you some live examples of how you can actually use ChatGPT in real life. Imagine you need to write a leave application for school or office. Instead of wasting time, just type, write a formal leave application for 2 days because of personal reasons. And ChatGPT gives you a perfectly written letter instantly. Suppose you're a student and don't understand a tough topic, like quantum physics. You can ask, explain quantum physics in very simple words with examples. And ChatGPT will break it down like a teacher. Let's say you are a YouTuber or blogger. You can ask, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about health and fitness that are trending. ChatGPT instantly gives creative ideas you can use today. For business, ChatGPT can write product descriptions, ad copies, and even customer replies. For example, write a catchy Amazon product description for wireless earbuds. And boom, you get SEO-friendly content ready to use. But remember, ChatGPT is powerful but not perfect. Sometimes it gives wrong or outdated info. It doesn't know about very recent events unless connected to web browsing. Always double-check facts before using it. Here are some quick tips if you're just starting. Be specific with your prompts. Use follow-up questions if the answer isn't perfect. Save your best prompts for future use. Experiment. ChatGPT learns from your style of asking. So that's a beginner's guide to ChatGPT, what it is, how to use it, and some real-life examples. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who also want to learn ChatGPT. And if you want me to make a separate video on advanced ChatGPT hacks and earning ideas with AI, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.